In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download bank statement from Wise app. We'll walk through the exact screens on your phone so you can quickly generate a statement for any period and currency you need with the right format and language. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. If you haven't updated the app recently, it's a good idea to do that first so the menus look the same as what you see here. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left and tap the profile icon. It's the small circle that opens your account menu and settings. From there, tap Statements and Reports. This section is where Wise groups all your downloadable documents, including account statements and activity reports, so you can keep everything organized for personal records, taxes, or compliance needs. Next, tap Statements. This takes you to the area specifically designed for generating bank-style statements that show your balances and transactions for a selected period. Tap Create Statements. You'll now choose the details that define exactly what will be included. First, select the start date. This is the earliest date you want covered by the statement. If you're preparing a monthly statement, pick the first day of that month. For quarterly or custom periods, choose the date that fits your purpose. Now select the end date. This is the last day of the period you want to include. Double check your range to make sure it covers all the transactions you need, especially if you're reconciling with accounting software. Next, select currencies. If you hold multiple balances in Wise, you can choose a specific currency or include more than one, depending on the options shown. Pick the balances that are relevant to the statement you're creating. Select the file format. PDF is ideal for a clean, official-looking document you can send or print. CSV is great if you want to analyze transactions in a spreadsheet. Choose the one that best suits how you plan to use the statement. Select the language. Choose the language required by your recipient or the one that's easiest for you to review. This helps ensure the document is accepted by banks, accountants, or institutions that need it. When everything looks correct, tap Generate. The app will prepare your statement based on your selections. After a moment, you'll see your new statement ready to view or save. If anything doesn't look right, simply return to the same screen, adjust the dates, currencies, format, or language, and generate it again. And that's it. You've created a Wise bank statement right from your phone, tailored to the exact period, currency, and format you need.